Hello everyone, welcome to JavaScript tutorial with the latest version of ECMAScript 2025. So today we will discuss about the modern JavaScript course. This is very good tutorial for the very beginners who are going to learn JavaScripts from the scratch and with the latest ECMAScript 2025. So let's begin. So basically the question arises, what is JavaScript? So JavaScript is a high level high level language programming that adds interactivity to the website. So जावास्क्रिप्ट एक प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज है जिसकी मदद से हम वेबसाइट पे इंटरेक्शन यूज़र का इंटरेक्शन इंक्रीज कर सकते हैं. जावास्क्रिप्ट सर्वर साइड्स भी इस्तेमाल होता है, जावास्क्रिप्ट क्लाइंट साइड भी इस्तेमाल किया जाता है. सो बेसिकली द क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट इज जावास्क्रिप्ट. सो जावास्क्रिप्ट इज अ हाई लेवल लैंग्वेज बेसिकली जो ह्यूमन अंडरस्टैंड करता है उसको हाई लेवल लैंग्वेज बोला जाता है. एंड वेबसाइट पे इंटरेक्टिविटी इंक्रीज करती है, तो उसके लिए क्या होता है, ब्राउज़र्स पे जावास्क्रिप्ट चलता है एंड सर्वर्स पे भी आजकल जावास्क्रिप्ट चलने लगा है. पहले इट वाज मेनली जावास्क्रिप्ट इसलिए बनाया गया था कि ये ब्राउज़र पे डॉम मैनिपुलेशंस का काम कर सके. So primarily when JavaScript was invented or was made, so its task was to manage or handle DOM manipulations onto the browser. But now the JavaScript task has been increased from day by day. Okay, now runs on browser and server. This we have already discussed. So why JavaScript is important? JavaScript is important only because of it runs on every browser, uh, and it has a huge community. That means the community, the peoples, the developers that peoples are using JavaScript is very huge as compared to the other languages uh, R programming, or you can say Python. As compared to the JavaScript, Python's programmers are very less as compared to PHP, because JavaScript is evolving day by day and it has a very huge community nowadays. So if we talk about the latest version that has been released by ECMAScript, so ECMA currently we are on ECMA 2000 ECMAScript 2025, which was released in June 2025. So the ECMAScript, or the version we say, is ES16. So day by day it's evolving and it releases their version. Previously it was ES15, and the major change uh, we saw in ES6, that introduced arrow functions and many more features in there. Okay, let's move next. So what is ES16? Basically the question is, what is ES16? So ES16 is currently deployed or currently released JavaScript version. It has a modern syntax, and the performance of all the JavaScript functions or the entities that has been used in it has a very latest performance. Okay, so this is the ES16. So the question also arises, where JavaScript runs. So JavaScript runs on browsers, JavaScript runs on Node.js, and JavaScript runs on Bun also. Bun has been released newly, and JavaScript also runs on Electron. That Electron is used to make uh, desktop application. Bun is also a runtime environment as Node.js. Node.js uses Chrome V8 engine, while Bun has newly released and it is also evolving day by day. While browsers run JavaScript, browsers like Chrome, mm, Chrome is there, Mozilla Firefox, Safari, and there are a lot of other market browser vendors into the market. So with the help of that, we can run JavaScript program on there. So how JavaScript run? JavaScript code are passed and it is converted to the machine code, machine learning code, and then machine understands whatever we have written to execute onto the computer. So code is passed, then converted to the machine code executed by JavaScript engine. So we have just discussed, like Chrome uses not Chrome, Node.js uses Chrome V8 engine. Chrome has their own engine, so it requires a specific type of engine to execute the JavaScript code. Everyone has written their own methodologies to run the JavaScript code. So let's move to the next. So here is a simple hello world programming we basically see in Java as well. So Java is different and JavaScript is also different. So don't be confused, like Java and JavaScript both are same. No, Java is different language and JavaScript is a different language. Okay, so by writing If we will move to if we are proceeding for writing a hello program into the JavaScript, we will use console.log hello JavaScript ES16. So whenever you will execute this command onto the console of the browser, so it will simply write hello JavaScript 16. We will execute this program after this after this presentation, or you can say after this tutorial. So let's move next. What we will needed to execute the program, we will require a browser, we will require a VS code where where we will execute the where we will write the program basically. Also we may require because uh, as we are running on to the browser, then we don't need Node.js Urban. So only VS Code and browser is enough to run a JavaScript code. Okay. So uh, the introduction for today is okay. We will move to the programming next day. And if we talk about the practice task, so open browser console, print your name and modify messages. So we will open a we will open a browser. Here we will open a new tab, not new tab. Basically, we will open a uh, we will open dev tool. Here is the console, we say element, and here is the console. Whatever you will return, console.log hello world, and when you will enter, this will print hello world. Okay. So this is the basic uh, JavaScript code we have executed onto the console of the browser. We have also different IDE available, or web compiler also available onto the market, that we can use to execute the JavaScript program. Okay. So I think that's all for today. Uh, we will meet we will discuss about the other important topic tomorrow. Hmm? That's enough for today. Okay, bye. Thank you.